Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be looking at how we can connect to a Windows 11 machine from an Ubuntu Linux machine using RDP. Now we'll need to install a tool called Remmina on the Ubuntu Linux machine. Let me go ahead and open the terminal here, and then let's run a few commands. The first command we need to run is to update the package list or package repositories using sudo apt update. We'll put in our password here. Once we have that done, the next thing is to install Remmina. The command is sudo apt install Remmina. Now I already have it installed, so we didn't install it. It says Remmina is already the latest version. The other thing you want to do is install Remmina plugin for RDP. Now the command to do that is sudo apt install Remmina dash plugin dash RDP. And I already have that installed as well. Once we have that installed, now we can search for Remmina. Just go to show apps and do Remmina, and this is the tool right here. Just click it to open it, and to start or begin a new connection, just click on the plus sign, and then you can name your connection. And you will need, so the protocol we are using is RDP. You need the IP address of the remote device, which is the Windows 11 PC. So let's go to the Windows 11 device. You also need the username and password. Now we are on the Windows 11 device. To get the IP address, just open the command prompt. And type ipconfig, and the IP address is 172.16.1.101, and like I said, you'll need the username that's configured on this Windows 11 as well as the password. Back on the Ubuntu Linux, you can input the IP under server, so that was 172.16.1.101. you'll need the username and the password, and that should be it. The rest you can leave as default. That's the main information you need. And then if you wanted to save the connection, just save it. This is the connection. Now to connect, double click on it, and as you can see here, we are connected. We are on the Windows 11, and we did the connection from the Ubuntu Linux machine. And we can access files on here on the Windows 11 machine, and the different tools on the Windows 11 machine. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Windows 11 device from Ubuntu Linux using RDP. One other thing you might want to make sure you have enabled on the Windows 11 machine is remote desktop. So just make sure remote desktop is enabled. You can just search for remote desktop settings, and make sure that this one is toggled to on. By default this is normally turned off, so before you try to make a connection, make sure that this one is toggled to on. Alright, that's all. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.